Welcome to the in front of me MEIZU M5s, and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So first you should go to the settings application and scroll down to the personalization section. Here you will see the wallpaper. Just tap there and you can select your new wallpaper from your device gallery if you get some photos in your album, or we can go back. And here also if you get some default photos on your device, or also you can just tap here to the online and choose the wallpaper from the internet. For example, we'll try the online wallpapers. For example, just tap here on this wallpaper to set them. You can save the wallpaper on your device, or also you can just apply but don't save. And here we wanna change the wallpaper on our lock screen, so tap there and here confirm by tap to OK. And as can you see, we got here the message that the wallpaper applied to our device. And we got here, as can you see, we just changed the wallpaper on our lock screen. And also we got the second way how we can do that. Just here on your screen, tap press for a while your screen, and here you'll see the wallpaper section. And now we'll just change the wallpaper, not from the internet but just the default one. For example, this one. Just tap there and tap to apply to lock screen. OK, and now we get also the message that the wallpaper applied to our screen. And as can you see, we just successfully changed our home screen lock screen wallpaper. So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.